western waterfront. We are now slowly entering the gates towards our ferry that's going to take us to Alibaug. So this time we decided not to take the road but to take the waterway and experience the beautiful ocean.
So this is where they scan your ticket and they will give you the tickets and also a coupon for parking the car inside the ferry. You can see a long waiting queue, and for pet lovers the ferry also is pet friendly.
Pet friendly, but there are designated areas only. Thank you. So there are only designated areas where the pet can be housed. So here where we are going to park our car. So there is provision for both two-wheelers and four-wheelers. We are on the Skoda Slavia deck. We are moving towards our lounge, which is the Skoda Superb Lounge. So let's see how it looks. I have seen the pictures online and they definitely look very nice. Digantika is leading the way. Let's see how the Skoda Superb Lounge looks like. This is where we will be for our onward journey to Manwa.
You have an option to also sit outside.